The objective of this lesson is to apply the Superscript font in Excel. So we're going to apply it for a full cell, part of a cell, and then apply it for a number. So let's start. First, you select your cells, and then under Home, you click on this small arrow, and then you'll get to Font. Under Font, you have Superscript. So you select Superscript and you say OK, and as you can see, it has moved up, and that's the Superscript font. If you want to do it for part of a cell, you just select the cell, then you select the text that you want to transform to Superscript, and then you do the same thing. Under Home, you click on this arrow, you click on Superscript, and there you go. Now I want to show you this on a number. If you try to do it on a number, like here I have 52. I want to make it 5 to the power 2. And this is where usually Superscript is useful in Excel for people that want to do mathematics or write equations, etc. So I select the 2. If I go here and I click on the arrow and then I say Superscript, what will happen is that it transforms it to Superscript, but as soon as you go outside the cell, it goes back to normal. Why? Because this is a number. What you need to do is transform it to a text. So here's the trick. You click on it, you go here, you add an apostrophe before the 52. Then you do the same methodology. You click on the 52, you select the 2, click on the arrow, then you do Superscript, and there you go. So here you have transformed the number to a text, and then you can apply Superscript.